friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Yeston and I'm inspired Radeon RX 7900 SAKURA series. So friend, the colorful SAKURA series are getting major design update, and friend, the anime inspired GPUs have just been updated to RDNA 3 architecture and are now listed by these retailers. And friend, the official renders Yeston SAKURA RX 7900 models will get a translucent cooler surround with 3 fans. And friend, the faceplate is actually replaceable, but Yeston did not reveal other designs that could potentially help with customizations. And the backplate surprises with the black theme and this darker side of this card. They also revealed dual 8-pin power connector, which are present on both RDNA 3 models XTX and XT. And friend, the company confirmed that RX 7900 XTX Sakura will boost up to 2500 MHz, while XT variant goes up to 2395 MHz, and the later is actually below official AMD specification, so we are not sure what the deal here. And friend, both cards can now be pre-ordered for $1146 USD and $1060 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.